Automotive paintless dent removal tools market is projected to grow by USD 417 million with a CAGR of 5.74% during the forecast period 2021 to 2026. This automotive paintless dent removal tools market research report provides valuable insights on the post-COVID-19 impact on the market, which will help companies evaluate their business approach. Furthermore, this report extensively covers automotive paintless dent removal tools, market segmentation by type, polar and others, and geography. The automotive paintless dent removal tools market report also offers information on several market wonders including Elsburn Tools, B&D Innovative Tools, Tent Magic Tools, Flex Ltd, HBC System, AS Maxima Advanced Repair System, PDR Finance Tools, Router Machinery Industrial Co Ltd, Strainer Equipment Ltd, The Tool Connection Ltd, Trigger Group, Ultraden Tools, and Weaver, among others. Automotive paintless dent removal tools market key drivers, trends, and challenges. The low cost of PDR tools is notably driving the automotive paintless dent removal tools market growth, although factors the such as the effectiveness of PDR tools in the certain cases may impede the market growth. Our analysts have studied the historical data and reduced the key market drivers and the COVID-19 pandemic's impact on the automotive paintless dent removal tools market industry. The holistic analysis of the drivers will help reduce end goals and refine marketing strategies to gain a competitive edge. Key automotive paintless dent removal tools market driver. The low cost of PDR tools is one of the major drivers impacting the automotive paintless dent removal tools market growth. The automotive paintless dent removal PDR tools available in the market are very affordable. For instance, on average, the price of automotive glue-based PDR tools started as low as $30. The average starting price of the complete PDR tools kit is as low as 70%. Though the price go beyond $100 for high quality PDR tool sets, the overall pricing of PDR tools is not very high. Such pricing has played a key role in driving the growth of the global automotive PDR tools market. The addition to their low average pricing, the increase in the availability of distribution channels such as e-commerce sites has played a instrumental role in driving awareness among consumers. This has consequently led to the growth in the demand for automotive PDR tools. Key automotive paintless dent removal tools market trend. The incorporation of business growth strategies by PDR tool vendors and service players is one of the major trends influencing the automotive paintless dent removal tools market growth. The players operating in the global automotive PDR tools market are working on different strategies and techniques to make their product commercially viable. The prominent players operating in the market have been incorporating different strategies to streamline their business. For instance, Dent Wizard International employed NetSuite OneWorld to power its business growth and streamline its process. The company has made use of software to manage critical business processes such as com- inventory management and financial consolidation of its operations. The software is ex- expected to reduce the complexity of labor intensive processes and make the overall operations more efficient and transparent. The software performs a wide range of complex and critical business process along with the high speed of implementation. It is also expected to serve as a platform that will provide real-time visibility of its business processes with the required scalability and flexibility to support PDR related jobs. The automotive paintless dent removal tools market challenge. The ineffectiveness of PDR tools in certain cases is one of the major challenges in painting and automotive paintless dent removal tools market growth. Automotive PDR tools are designed to provide cost-effective dent removal and save time. They can be effective for the paintless removal of small dent and dings, which are the most common form of dent sustained by vehicle. However, these tools, especially the dye ones, may not be effective in removing certain types of damage. A vehicle can get different types of dents and dings throughout its life cycle. These can vary in shape, size, and place of occurrence. It has been noted that most dyed PDR tools are effective only on shallow turns sustained on flexible or flat surfaces. According to consumers, these PDR only on shallow dents sustained on flexible or flat surface. According to customers, these PDR tools may not provide the perfect